adik dengan baju raya ada. Adik dengan ada. Jagi.
Wow.
Oh.
Jadi raya ke?
Belum.
Itu raya tak?
Belum. Ni pasang number tu. Don't touch. Ada.
Mama jadi.
Adam, ambil kucing Adam ya Adam. Adam Haris. B. Mixer. Pengaruh carrot ambil. Next.
Jadi, main phone mama.
Ambil kucing Adam mau kaki mama ni.
Jadi main phone mama ke?
Ambil kucing Adam. Adam.
Ha? Kat mama.
Ambil Zat.
Surfing, hippos, want to catch the waves. Species found nowhere else on Earth. Join in the celebration of our planet's latest national parks and wilderness.
4人の勇者はそれぞれ危険
The reason I stopped.
Baju mama dia tak nampak. Jadi main phone mama ke?
Sekejap lagi.
Kenapa ni? Buka plastik. Boleh? Buka plastik.
Barang hiasan tiruan yang cantik.
Nama Bay is one of my favorite spots in the world. I grew up in Hawaii. This was my backyard.
Ni ada school. Ada school.
My
Kan?
magical world began here.
Yang ni?
When I was growing up,
Oi.
wild spaces
Macam dia
and
tak
everyday
tak.
spaces, they were one and the same. An essential part of our lives.
Au, Adam ambil kucing Adam ni.
I want to make sure that the
Adam, dah
are
Adam.
there for my kids and my
Adam.
grandkids.
Sudah ni Adam.
Join in the celebration of our
Dia ada
planet's
mata.
latest national parks and wilderness.
Au!
A journey to
Adam.
Tidak.
Mama ada tu.
shared birthright.
Jangan. Makan.
My mom used to tell me that when she was
B dah buka B.
young,
Ni B punya.
listen to the ocean.
My friend, my mom.
Used to drink I spent a lot of time here even before I arrived in the world.
Sini abang punya. B.
When I was 6, Nama Bay protected wild spaces. It began as a kind of a secure wilderness for people to enjoy. It's become a worldwide movement to preserve these areas for generations.
View letak mana ni?
There are places to escape work very
Dah. Okey.
and inspiration
Kenapa ni?
Fire extinguisher.
for a haven where they
Mama apa ni?
Sabar jangan kacau Mama. Ada Haris. Head first kan dapat.
Yeah.
Dia pergi dadah.